Hello everyone. I saw the zombie in the military base of aircraft and helicopter there. And yes, I saw before it's throwing the poison. And let's go. Yes. Wait a second. We're going to steal. G4 ran a fire. Nice. 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, let's go. Nice city. First you want to steal the helicopter. Before that, you should. Huh? Okay. Before that, you should steal the boat. First, everyone. The casino is in casino back. The boat will there. Yes. Yes. I got an idea. First go in the map, enter the casino. BFG, no one escape. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, then exit the casino. Check when you feel cocky. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! In the backside of the casino, we saw the boat. And yes. Artica, I'm so busy. Bye. Ding. So late. How much time? Go, 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 yeah, bro, go, 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 go. Use the rope. Oh, not roll. Ha, yeah, there's the boat. Let's drive the boat. Ha, 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 the sprint, bro. I will show. Yeah, bro. In the map, I'll show you. There, in the military base. The zombie lives there. There. Yes. Let's go there. Faster! Go. I'll go there. Let's go. Boom, boom, bye, yeah! Huh? Huh? There's a puppet. Oh, yeah. Someone called. There's a puppet. And let's leave the boat. I will show now. Oh! Oh, go back, go back. Nice time. Go. Puppet. Nice puppet. First, you need to steal the boat. First, you need to steal the helicopter. Then, I'll show the zombie. I forgot about the topic. What I'm doing the video. Okay, let's get nice outside. I have a nice idea. Go. Oh, coming out. And now go. No, here. About. Now. Click. Oh my gosh. Man. Our pulses are reacted now. Huh? I yikes. Go. Are. Go. No way. Now go. Oh man. Yikes. Huh, I missed. The pulses. Go. The army. Come on up. Ah, come up. Yes. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Oh man, RPG. Oh my gosh. There's a zombie. There. The gold zombie. Yes. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Green color. The zombie is. Oh my gosh. The poison train of the zombie. Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Pulses go reacted out. Oh my. Oh, I'm so scared. So scared. There's the zombies. Kill zombies. In the arena, in zombie base, there's so much scared. So scared. Oh my gosh. The poison ruins our life. Ha. The two poisons hits up and goes out. Let's go. Oh, there! Hey, this is the zombie. Oh my gosh. The helicopter damaged. Everybody saw the zombie. Let's. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Let's spark everything. The theater. Da 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 da. Cinema hall. Let's park here. Cinema hall has long breadth length, but this have only length. Building size, I'm what I'm saying. Okay. This is so busy. Nice view from here. Whew. I'm a zombie. Just scared about the zombie. I will go outside this. Go. Yeah! Boom! Boom! The pulses are gone. The stars are 0. Empty. Oh yeah, bruh! Let's take a selfie. The cinema hall. No, this is not seeing the cinema hall. Let's do now. No. Okay, let's go down and take a selfie. Let's take this boy. Selfie! Nice. Okay, everybody. Bye. Everyone see the zombie and enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.